the cage?
No.
See?
No poo, no pee.
Told you. She lets the puppy sleep in the house with the
So
little
cute.
boy. Gotta keep it in the cage. See? What did it do?
She wakes up 6:30 in the morning. I tell her 6:30
Wilson.
in the morning to turkey. So,
Take him out and then go outside.
yeah.
Oops.
What about you, Angel? You don't know how to play like that?
No. She's not barking, that's okay.
Wait.
Whoa. You sure?
Yeah. She's fine. I'm here. She's fine.
Okay, Michelle.
I'll watch her. Aww.
They play so nicely.
Yeah, they really feel they both sleep.
Pretend attach.
What's his name?
Molson.
Molson?
Like the beer.
Just thinking that.
Does he like beer?
It's real Canadian, yeah. For real Canadian for life enjoyment.
He's cute.
So passive.
And Molson went on her back. It was lying on her back.
Really?